Good morning, everyone. I'm Ichipman Allen Cogal Sambahon, first year BSMT or Bachelor Science Marine Transportation, Section 1A10. I choose to take a maritime course because I want to become a seafarer. Because it's my dream when I was a child. Being a seafarer offers great opportunities to work abroad, travel the world, and earn a good income. I believe that through this course, I can achieve my dream and help my family. I can show respect to the other in the class, listen when someone is speaking, be polite and use kind words, follow classroom rules. In 5 years, I will be a successful seafarer working abroad and helping my family. In 5 years, I will be a licensed marine officer fulfilling my dreams. In 5 years, I will be living a better life because of my hard work and determination. I want to be remembered as someone who worked hard, helped others, and never give up on his dreams.